Monidor Vitals, remote monitoring of SpO2 and pulse rate. Detect issues before they escalate with continuous remote monitoring of SpO2 and pulse rate. Starting the monitoring. Check the batteries in the pulse oximeter. Attach the pulse oximeter to the patient's wrist. Place the pulse oximeter sensor on the patient's finger. Pulse oximeter will start automatically. Connect the pulse oximeter to the wireless patient monitor by scanning the QR code. Optionally, set the room and bed location. You can also set alarm limits for oxygen saturation and pulse rate. Make sure the wireless patient monitor is no more than 10 meters away from the patient. Ensure there are no obstacles between the pulse oximeter and the patient monitor. The pulse oximeter's ID number will be displayed on the remote monitoring screens and on the patient monitor. Alarms. Monidor Vitals provides 3 levels of alarms: red for high priority alarms, yellow for medium priority alarms, and light blue for technical alarms. Alarm delays can be customized for each hospital ward. In case of any uncertainty, we recommend checking the information on the wireless patient monitor. History view. The history view shows oxygen saturation and pulse rate during the monitoring period. Ending the monitoring. Go to Patient Information on the patient monitor. Click Quit and Remove Information, then choose Yes. Remove the sensor from the pulse oximeter. Clean the pulse oximeter and sensor after each use. The devices are now ready to be transferred to another room or patient. For more details, refer to the user manual or the quick user guide.